here's what you do if you have a gasping puppy at birth. The first thing you want to do is take a bulb syringe, also called a nasal aspirator, and you want to suction actually the puppy's mouth first and throat out as much as you can. This isn't a brand new puppy, but you basically want to squeeze the bulb syringe in, suction all the air out first, because if you don't, you're actually going to push fluid into the lungs. So you're going to make sure that you've got all the air out. Insert the bulb syringe in the puppy's throat and then suction the fluid out. You want to squeeze the bulb syringe, suction the air out, and you want to suction the mouth always first, because as soon as that puppy takes a breath, it's going to, inhale all that fluid, and then you want to suction the nose out. So just, you can hear it makes a sucking sound as it's trying to, suck out any kind of secretions. I've got two different ones that I use. I have a smaller one. Actually, I believe it's actually an ear one, but it's perfect little size to actually get closer into the nostrils to suction out more, more fluid. And then you want to vigorously rub the puppy if the puppy is still gasping. You want to take a warm washcloth or a towel or something like that and sit there and just rub as much as you can, as vigorous as you can. Really piss the puppy off. Just rub. Make it squeal, make it squeak. Rubbing the chest here. Pointing the puppy towards the floor, not straight down like this, but towards the floor in the 7 o'clock position, and rub, the chest here, massaging it, massaging the back, through the lungs here, trying to get all that fluid to drain towards the floor, and out the mouth and nose. And then you'll want to re-suction that puppy, after doing this, and get any bubbles that are coming out of the mouth or the nose. If the puppy is still gasping after you've done this, you want to do what's called the accordion method. And you're going to take the hind quarter legs, and you're actually going to scrunch them. You're actually scrunching the puppy up towards his chest. It's almost like you're pushing everything kind of forward, so it's actually compressing the lungs. And then when you release the legs, it's actually, making it so it's possible for the puppy to take a deep breath. So you're going to take the hind legs and you're extend the chest out as much as you can. So you're going to make, basically a nice long, lengthy puppy, and then scrunch. Okay. Extend it out. This puppy is not very happy. This is a newborn puppy, obviously, but I know, I'm making you mad. Take the legs. Extend out the puppy's chest and scrunch. And you want to do this actually while you have the puppy tip towards the floor, again in like the 7 o'clock position, so the fluid is draining out of the mouth and the nose. And again, you want to re-suction the puppy's mouth and nose for any bubbles that may be starting to come out of the nose, any fluid. Again, compressing the bulb syringe as much as you can. Suction the nose out again. Just like that. And then if the puppy still is gasping and you still cannot get it to stop gasping, you want to take a washcloth or a hand towel and firmly place the puppy in the palm of your hands, and you're going to tip the puppy gently and securely in the palm of your hands, supporting its head towards the floor. Some breeders will do this with the puppy on their back, or you can do it with the puppy facing the floor on its belly, but very gently. Just basically do a swinging method with a little bit of centrifugal force to try to force any fluid out. But basically you're just going to securely hold the puppy in the palm of your hand, supporting its head so you don't actually cause any kind of neck injury or brain injury, and then basically tip the puppy with some centrifugal force, which I'm not going to show you to demonstrate that with this puppy, since it's not a gasping newborn puppy, but just to kind of show you the motion of what you would do. Just again, just basically tipping the puppy straight forward and backwards with some force, enough to expel that fluid to come shooting towards, out of the lungs towards its chest, and up through the nasal cavity and through the mouth.